My country people, I throw a salute. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on that notification button. Manchester United 0 and Crystal Palace 1. We get Oga Idafe, we be Ogbonge person, Ogbonge Man U fan, make tell us about how you see this game. Oga Idafe, now how you see your team performance for this match?
I'm not gonna lie, my team do very well though. Now hard luck, not warriors for the game.
Now do very well, but not lose.
And I say it been as I love football they do sometimes. Like you watch World Cup,
Evidence no day, but this very well one do.
So, see when Saudi Arabia beat Argentina for that first match. Argentina ain't play ball there that day. Then disqualify many of their goal, but Saudi Arabia ain't still win. Evidence no day. This Argentina win World Cup now. Evidence for really no day. But the team say, man, you play well. Man, you play well. I like the team performance. So let's say some days you go just be unfortunate. That's what the game of football does be. And I think worry mind today. Just imagine Fernandes play shot from outside. The keeper save her. Hoylund, that our striker, can't see head ball again for inside box. Keeper see save her. I mean, who they catch heads in normally on the normal, who they catch heads in? So tell you, say, but the game not does favor Man U today.
So to you, now hard luck be the reason why Man U lose today.
Yeah, hard luck. Majorly hard luck. People they go in and score. That guy not trap the ball at all. I better go be that. That guy not trap the ball. And at the major opportunity when Crystal Palace really get today be that. And they just take the opportunity and take on once.
So to you, that goal no be Onana fault.
No, not be Onana fault now. And that boy, he not trap that ball. He not trap that ball at 50-50. The guy, he go for the ball. But now two ways. Now either you punch him, either you push and come out, or you enter. If your hand don't reach the ball, you don't feel push and come out. Me, I be goalkeeper normally. So I know how that kind of ball they be. Me, I don't even say that kind of ball before. Not because say are too good. No, now just reflex. If you enter your hand, it go enter your hand. If you enter your hand, it not enter your hand. I say it don't be. I don't blame Onana for that ball.
So what about Amrabat now? We don't see him making debut for Man U. We don't see him that they play him out of position. We don't see him left back in the play so far. But what do you don't see from Amrabat? What do you get to talk about the player?
The guy did very good. He get many passes sending gift today. You gonna say the guy good. Very, very good passes. The player with him be say he guys know say that England in day, Premier League in day. For Serie A, the referees are they lenient. Even if you break person leg, referee not to the talk. Unless a very clear foul. But for England, the slightest thing now, they don't blow foul. So you guys are more careful. You go chop red card, the way Casemiro to chop red card. Among Europe's top 5 leagues, now England, I need to keep foul pass. Now England, they keep foul pass. So when you do England as a defender, as a defensive midfielder, you guys are very careful. That's what you're doing. So, but normally he's a very good player, a good player.
So what do you get to talk about Man U defense? Because people like I said the defense, the league goes left, right, center this season. What do you get to talk about what thing they happen to Man U defense? There are injuries because we know say Lisandro Martinez don't play this game, Sergio Regular not play this game. Now injuries they affect the Man U defense. Why the team they concede back-to-back goals like this?
I guess before I go answer that question, I want to commend Lindelof. Lindelof, they try. The defense never get chemistry, but Lindelof will try. So I guess commend Lindelof. But for the defense generally, the defense is not good. We too expose the goalkeeper. See that one when they say play. They escort us in the goal post. You understand? They escort us in the goal post. This guy, gave this defender for Chile that time, Gary Medel. He gonna bring that guy confidence. He gonna break his leg. So the defense, we too lazy. Except Lindelof, they work hard pass for that defense. They Varane with team wealth of experience. Today, the defense they okay today, but other days, but defense was okay today.
So to you, the defense still try today. So, but with what you they see so far, you they confident say this Man U team fit achieve something this season. They fit win a trophy. They fit make top 4 or challenge for the title with what you they see as a Man U fan. How confident you they with for this team?
If I want to objective, if I want to sincere, Man U not win league. Then they not win league. If I want to sincere, because if you watch the way Arsenal and Man City then they play, even Liverpool they play. You won't know. Say even top 4 set out of this season. See Aston Villa then. See West Ham. Even West Ham. See who against self. Even Brighton self. Forget that they lose today. They get playing pattern. Man, you never get playing pattern. You understand? So they even finish top 4 set go outdoors. Like you treat with that. Anything if it change, the season is very long. 38 matches. The season is very long. But anything if it change. But for now, the way they see them, to say, man, talk based on what they see now, it go hard Man U.
So what do you think about Marcus Rashford's performance for the last couple of games for Manchester United?
The guy never get himself. He dey very selfish. Na he play na selfishness. And I know wetin dey worry am. Yes, last season he scored 17 goals, give 7 assists. The fact say he never scored this season, he dey make am dey play more rubbish. Na so he does me. Then he make am dey play more rubbish. He wan score by all means. And if you be player whereby you wan score by all means, you go dey play rubbish. And be one thing about being an attacker. You go dey play more rubbish. So make him calm down. The goals go naturally come. If you watch Man City sometimes, even Haaland never score. Haaland go see the pass ball. Haaland go dey for the post see the pass ball. Another person whereby he needs go out at all points in time. So make Rashford see realize say assist na start. Chances created na start. You understand? So he has work with the team. He has to work with the other attackers. Where they play now, no, enough. If you even play the foot, if you even score past 5 goals, where they play now.
So Man U next game now against Galatasaray for UEFA Champions League for Old Trafford. What do you dey expect from your team after this defeat, and what will be your score prediction for that game?
Man U go win Galatasaray. Why? Because Man U they don't get the kind team. For Champions League, Man U na different team entirely. Yes, Man U no go wan go Champions League, come comot again for group stage. Before I bin dey tip Galatasaray to prove point against Man U. But even Galatasaray self never even get their self. They dey very disappointing even for their league and for the Champions League when they play Copenhagen that day. They dey very disappointing. So I no fit count on them say they will feel upset Man U. So that day, Man U go win maybe 2-0. 2-0.
2-0 Manchester United.
Manchester United.
All right, now, guy, Daffy, thank you for your time.